Welcome back to my channel, everybody. It's Leah with Skin Beautiful RX. I'm a licensed esthetician. I own Skin Beautiful RX, which is an online medical grade skincare store, as well as Actively Treat and my med spa here in Columbus, Ohio. I loved all of your feedback regarding last week's video, as well as I love seeing so many new followers here. My really great friend Sherry did an amazing video on her favorite way to tighten eyelids, and I will link her video below. But because of that video, I have so many new subscribers, which is so exciting. We have such a great family here, so welcome. And if you're new to my channel, then you probably have a lot of questions regarding a product she discussed in her video, which is Osmosis Rescue. So if you've been following me for a while, you know this is my favorite product by far, ever, and I will always have it in my routine. But a lot of people don't truly understand Osmosis Rescue and why there is absolutely nothing like it on the market. And that's actually one of the questions we'll go over today. Is there a dupe? There isn't, but we'll get into it. So I went through her video and mine and made sure I wrote down majority of the questions that you guys had regarding Osmosis Rescue, because my whole goal here is to make sure that you're confident when you apply your skincare and you actually know not only what it's doing, but how to effectively use it so you can get optimal results. So today I'm just actually going to go over all of your questions that I wrote down regarding Osmosis Rescue and why this is a must-have product in your routine, and it doesn't replace anything in your routine. This is an added product for overall skin change. So Osmosis Rescue is a patented formula which utilizes trioxylane, which is what Osmosis uses to formulate this product and one of their other products. Trioxylane is a stable oxygen molecule that completely transforms your skin. So quickly, before I get into your questions, this product is going to be good for acne, melasma, hyperpigmentation, texture, large pores, acne. It is a one and done treatment for absolutely everything. Pairs beautifully with any other products, and it's an epidermal repair serum. The first question I get is, does it replace my barrier repair products? It does not. Epidermal repair serum is different from a barrier repair product. Rescue actually rebuilds the epidermis, while your barrier repair products are strengthening your skin barrier. So epidermis, barrier, very close, but they do different things for the skin tissue. So we are actually rebuilding the DNA of the skin of our epidermis with Osmosis Rescue, while a barrier repair product actually helps to strengthen the barrier. So that's the first question that I get asked a lot. Does this replace your barrier repair products? It does not, but it complements it absolutely beautifully. The next question I get is, how do I layer this in my routine? Majority of my clients are on multiple different brands of products. I really love to cherry pick regarding their specific skin and their specific needs. So when we are layering Rescue into any routine, we always, of course, do growth factors first. Then I really like to do water-based serums, thinner products, and then Rescue before your moisturizer. The reason I like to put Rescue after all of your other actives is because this does have glycerin, which can actually create a slight occlusive barrier on the skin. So because of that, I like to put all the actives first, then Rescue, and then a moisturizer. Additionally, since this is an epidermal repair product, we're traditionally really just treating the epidermis and not so much the dermis. There are ingredients in this product that we do want to get into the dermis and the deeper tissues and layers of the skin. However, because it has a delivery system, it will be able to do so. So we really just want to focus on making sure we get all of the other products that need to get deeper into the dermis before Rescue, so it doesn't have to battle the glycerin in this product. So when you are layering this, you do growth factors, other serums, Rescue, moisturizer, SPF at night. Just knock out the SPF, and basically it's exactly the same. The next question is, Rescue does not have salicylic acid or benzyl peroxide. So why is this treating my acne? love this question so much. So yes, Rescue is incredible for treating acne, but for multiple reasons. The first reason is Rescue is an amazing product for anybody that has inflammation. As we all know, inflammation is the culprit for everything. It's the culprit for aging, it's the culprit for pigment, it's the culprit for barrier breakdown, and of course, it's the culprit for acne. Once we start to get inflammation under control, you will start to see that the skin is stronger and it will fight acne on its own. So once you start utilizing Rescue daily in your routine and it can actually start to lessen inflammation in your skin, then it will actively start to just knock out acne and fight those acne bacteria. Trioxylane also neutralizes toxins which lead to acne and barrier breakdown. Two other really important ingredients in this that will help acne is guava. And guava contains isoflavonoids, salicylic acid, and other ingredients that actively fight infection and inflammation. And then lastly, the 5-flavor berry in this product is great because it's antibacterial and fights P. acne bacteria. So if you're somebody that has a lot of overgrowth of the P. acne bacteria on the skin, 5-flavor berry alone will help to neutralize that overgrowth of P. acne bacteria, slow the production of sebum, and then really help to clear the skin while also fighting post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. The next question is, does Osmosis Rescue need an activating mist? So an activating mist would be like Boost, Osmosis Boost, or Osmosis Infused. And what's great about an activating mist is that when you massage these products into the skin, they actually help with product penetration. I have found with Rescue, as long as your skin is damp, which it should be whenever you're using these products, I personally don't need one because I have a really normal, healthy skin type. Now, if you're more dry, you most likely will still need an activating mist. But if you're normal to oily or oily, your skin's natural hydration factors will allow you to massage this product into the skin as long as your skin's damp. So if you are normal to dry skin type or you're applying this to dry skin, you will absolutely need an activating mist. So my husband, for instance, will just use a little thing of water, and you can absolutely do that as well. We just want to make sure your skin's damp so that the product can fully penetrate and do what it needs to do. Next question is, why does Osmosis Rescue smell like bleach, and does this product have bleach in it? It does not, absolutely does not have bleach in it. It does have a very interesting smell. To me, it smells like a pool, like I'm about to climb out of like the city pool or something, even though I can't swim, fun fact. But yes, it does have a very strong smell that dissipates rather quickly. I love the smell now, and honestly, I find that most people that are like, oh my gosh, at first with the smell, they end up later telling me how they're obsessed with it. So Osmosis, being a holistic company, does not add in any fragrance, artificial fragrance. So you will find that all of their products have a very interesting smell, whether it smells like chlorine or bleach, or whether it just have a really earthy smell, such as some of their retinaldehydes or like their Catalyst AC11. So completely normal. That is just the true smell of these natural ingredients. You're not going to find a more natural line of skincare that is going to be so beneficial for the skin. So you have no worries. You're not applying bleach, and this is super safe. In fact, it's like one of the safest products that you can use on your skin if you are compromised, sensitive, or rosacea prone. So the next question is, why isn't there a dupe for Osmosis Rescue? It utilizes ozonized ethyl oil, which is in other products. Because I'm an esthetician, I am not the formulator. I wanted Dr. Johnson to actually speak to this, and he did. And it really helps to realize why this is a patented product. You will not find a dupe for it, and you have to have this in your routine. So ozonized ethyl oil is our coined term for trioxylane. It is not sourced from sweet wormwood or artemisia. I'm saying that probably wrong. We have to make it. So they actually make this ingredient in a lab, as opposed to how other products get it, which is from the actual extract of the plant. So it is found in sweet wormwood. So trioxylane is a stabilized oxygen molecule that the immune system in the skin and body uses to fight pathogens and repair oxidative damage. Present in sweet wormwood at about 0.05%. Remember that, it's important. So using that is not even close to the same as using it a 10% concentration, which is how Osmosis utilizes it in their rescue. The artemisia, or however you say that, is a nice ingredient, but it does not have any of the repair or immune boosting qualities of ozonized ethyl oil. So if you use a product with this other ingredient that has a similar trade name, it is not the same thing. This is at a higher concentration, as well as it is not extracted from sweet wormwood. It is created in a lab, and the other ingredient cannot do any of the repair that Rescue can do. So you will not find anything like this, I promise you, on the market. The next question was, who should use it? And again, anybody with large pores, acne, pigment, melasma. In fact, if you have skin, I highly recommend you use Osmosis Rescue. So what skin conditions benefit the most from it? For me, I think anytime I hear rosacea, inflammation, a lot of skin redness, acne and large pores, actually I'm going to put it in a different order. Rosacea / redness, large pores, acne, those are my tried and true people who I immediately put on Rescue. How long will it take results to show? Definitely you will see a difference from the first application, but I would always say like around 4 weeks you'll really start to see like a big punch of improvement, and then at that like 6-8 week mark you'll be like, wow, I'm never taking this out of my routine, which leads me to, why is it a holy grail for nearly everyone who uses it? I love this question, great to finish with. Because, like I said, it is a game changer. There's no other product that utilizes this science that is so gentle and that can treat a multitude of skin conditions. For me, when I do consults, I even list, like if we're treating acne, we're treating pigment, we're treating laxity, like somebody that needs to do it all, I always say I start with pigment. I then go to acne, I then go to laxity, because if not, you're using just a buffet of products. Well, that's because nothing is like Rescue. There is nothing that can treat so many different skin conditions. Yes, that is why, because it is just an exceptional product, it will change your skin for the better, and you can use this forever and still continue to see changes. They may be more gradual over time, but this is one product that I'm like, oh no, you don't need to switch it out, you don't need to change it, you don't need to give your skin like a shake up to see new changes. The product that will continue to blow your socks off from first application to 20 years from now. So if you are not currently using Osmosis Rescue, I highly recommend you add this to your routine. You do not need to have Rescue replace anything. I don't recommend that. I recommend incorporating this in with your current routine after your serums, before your moisturizer, and then really just loving this as much as everybody else and realizing how truly special this product is. It's my favorite, you know, forever now, and I know it will be yours as well. So I hope this helped all of my new subscribers understand Osmosis Rescue, why it's so special. If you have any questions, please let me know below, and if you're new here, welcome. It's so exciting, and if you're not new here, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.